Pro-choice demonstrators in Poland have been holding a vigil outside the Constitutional Court in Warsaw after it introduced an almost total ban on abortion. With wide legal restrictions already in place, the judges ruled that ending the life of a deformed fetus is counter to the country's constitution. Paul Hawkins reports.
Waiting for a verdict from Poland's top court. Anti-abortion activists cheer the ruling that means the procedure will be banned for fetal defects.
Today, Poland is an example for Europe. It's an example for the world. Ladies and gentlemen, we're not stuck in the historical necessity which commands us to march to the left and facilitates murder. It's possible to protect life. Regular pro-life activism, which brings results, is possible.
Poland already had some of the most restrictive abortion laws in Europe. Women's rights groups estimate around 100,000 women a year travel abroad for the procedure, while in Poland last year there were just over 1,000 legal terminations, 98% of them because of fetal defects. But this ruling now tightens the law further. It means abortion is only legal in cases of rape, incest or where the mother's life is at risk. Even then, doctors can refuse to carry out the procedure on the grounds of freedom of conscience. Back in 2016, the Conservative ruling party tried to tighten abortion legislation, prompting thousands to pour onto the streets of the capital Warsaw in protest. There was opposition in Parliament, while opinion polls showed voters weren't in favour of tighter restrictions. So the government asked the country's Supreme Court, with judges picked by the government, to rule on the matter. But 4 years later, the reaction is the same. Pro-choice protesters ignoring coronavirus restrictions to make their voice heard. One campaigner said 3,000 demonstrators had marched on the ruling party's headquarters.
We're going to the European Commission to start the infringement procedure on Poland for attempting to legalize tortures in Poland, to go to the European Court of Justice against Poland for that. And we support each and every individual case against a doctor that will try to lie that this kind of abortion is banned in Poland, because it's not.
But Poland's top court disagrees, and that means any legal challenges will have to come at a European level. Paul Hawkins, BBC News.